a couple of days later, and I decided to pick up the video here. I'm actually on my way to New Jersey. I just left the house a few minutes ago, so I have a long drive ahead of me. But I wanted to show you guys the sunset and give you guys my take on the flame tune. So it's definitely not something that you guys want to do all the time. This is just something that if you want to do at a car meet or like an exhaust competition, that's the only time that I would use it. I'm not going to be using it like just random days. Obviously, I don't want to hurt the car. Obviously, the cars don't automatically do that, so they're not meant to do that. But if you are careful with it, like, you should be okay. You're not going to have any issues. Like I said, just don't go doing it like at every single day, constantly from light to light. So use your own judgment. You know, it's your call if you want to go crazy with it, but it is fun to have here and there. Also, another thing that I noticed is that if I leave it in sport and try to drive the car hard, and let's say if I give it gas and then I let off and then try to give it gas again, I feel the car choking a little bit because the car is trying to feed fuel in that split second that when I let off. So it's supplying more gas than the car needs. So that's what kind of causes the flames to ignite. So if you're gonna be driving the car hard, leave it in comfort mode. Like, the car drives perfectly fine in comfort mode. Like, I can get on it and everything and the car doesn't act up at all. But the moment that I switch to sport, that's when I start noticing the car running a little funny. So if you're gonna be pushing it, I would suggest that you go back to your regular tune and just leave it at that. So I was just driving and I just happened to see this dealership that I used to follow them. I don't follow them anymore, but I used to follow them because I was wanting to buy a Japanese car. And they have all the imported right-hand drive cars. So I was like, you know what? I don't think I'm gonna pass through here in like a long time, or like in a really good time, or ever. But I was like, if I'm here, I might as well stop by real quick. I'm gonna go take a peek and see what I can find. Damn, I took the wrong entrance. So here's the dealership. If you guys are interested in a Japanese car, hit them up. They're in Virginia. For any family guys, you got a minivan over here, right-hand drive with the wing on it. RX-7, Type R. There's the RX-7 and the Type R. This right here, though, God, I really want an FD. This is dope. I like this one too, JZX. And we got the R32. This is dope though. I like this. This is their little truck. Nice. Another Integra. I love these cars. I want to get one, but I'm afraid that it's gonna get stolen. Just because I don't have the garage space. Sylvia, or 240? No, it is 240. Yeah, 240. 2000. Now this is cool. I know a lot of people don't really like these, but I'm a big fan of them. Oh, Eva 5 for sure. It's got a different wing, different front bumper, but this looks so good. All right, guys, time to hit the road. He hooked it up with a shirt, so check them out. Definitely check them out if you guys are interested in picking up a Japanese car. They have a really nice R34 inside, which I didn't get any videos because I left the camera inside. It's got 55 grand in the engine. From what he said, he's got all the paperwork. And also it has all GTR parts. The quarter panels are welded metal with Z2 fenders. So not cheap at all. I know that work must have been expensive. So for $85,000 that they're selling it for, it's really not that bad. But yeah, guys, catch you guys at the next stop, and I'll keep you guys posted on the trip. Good morning, guys. So it is the day of the show. So it is 6:30 in the morning, and my car is not clean at all. This thing is filthy. I have to be at the venue by 8, so we only have like an hour and a half. The bad thing is the drive is like an hour to get there, so I should have left 30 minutes ago, but I was trying to find a stupid car wash. I should have done that last night. So we're about to hit the road. I'm gonna grab some coffee, try to stop by the store, get some stuff to drink, water, Gatorade. But yeah, I'll fill you guys in once we get to the car wash, and by then hopefully there will be some sunlight. So it's gonna be a half-ass wash because I really don't have time. Luckily, the car wash is like 8 minutes away from the event, so you know I don't have to be there exactly at 8. I don't think so, but if we can make it, you know, on time, you know, like 8:15, 8:20, then I think I should be okay. But yeah, let's go ahead and hit the road. So we're almost at the car wash. Hopefully it's not full, because that's gonna suck. Like, you guys can see some cars that are over there. Maybe they're meeting at Target. I gotta go this way. I gotta go to the car wash. Yeah. Oh, here BMW. Yep, he's coming this way. They probably just left the car wash. Oh, there you go. And 4. I did this at the Key show. Like, I was late because I had to go wash the car. Hopefully it doesn't take me that long. I'm just gonna do a half-ass wash in like 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes, and then I'll just get there like at 8:10. This looks like a nice little town. Wouldn't mind taking a few random pictures somewhere. I guess I'm gonna have to be late. I hear another BMW up there. I wonder if that's the G80 that was on the highway earlier. They're probably going to the wash.
Turn
Maybe.
right onto East Mulberry Street, then turn left
That's
onto
not
Buck
it.
Street.
Is that a BMW? Oh shit. Skirt! I was getting
At
distracted.
the next stop sign, turn left.
Oh man. Excuse me, bird. Oh shit. Damn, ran the light.
At the stop sign, turn left.
Okay, good, it's empty.
Then the destination is on your left.
Alright, time to give it a wash. God damn, this entrance. Fuck. Alright. See you guys in a bit. So before I get started, look how dirty this thing is. Let me remove my PPF. Look at this. Tell me that doesn't look good. Yeah. Alright, let's get to work. Just made it. It's a long ass entrance. Oh, there's the entrance. Alright, barcode time. M2, M2, M8. All these M cars, and we have the non-M. Non-M in the M world. Looks like I am. So I just got the car wiped down. We're ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and take a walk. This is kind of where we're at. Normally, every time I go to shows, I don't record where I'm at. So this is it. Right next to G80 and F80 and a F80. Oh, actually, now that I think about it, this is a good time to show you guys the quarter panels. So you guys can see here my quarters compared to a F80. I think I've done this before, but this really gives you a good look on how they look. So we'll go take a walk, see what we can find. Maybe buy a couple things, or try to find some food somewhere. Alright, so I'm going to show some love to the non-M's, because usually when I watch videos, people normally focus on all the M cars. So here we got a single turbo E90. Clean setup. That's what I need to get on my 440. That's the only thing I'm missing. Well, aside from minor details, but we'll get it eventually. ABS XX maybe. Cool, because you don't normally see work wheels on a BMW like that. Obviously we got the Meisters on the F32, but definitely nice to see some different set of wheels other than the typical BBS HREs. Alright, so I told myself I was going to vlog other cars other than just BMWs, and here we have this clean FD. Wide body FRS. Clean E36, very simple, but clean for sure. Oh shit, it's right hand drive too. If you guys want to give him a follow, here's his Instagram. Over here. This color reminds me of my car. Check out this wide body M4 mint green. It's individual. Oh snap! Individual too. You know, when I first saw this, I thought this thing was wrapped. It's crazy. You know the crazy thing is, I'm pretty sure I saw this car in LA. Unless it's the same setup, but I don't think so. I don't know, I'm gonna have to go back and check, but I remember a Nardo F80 on some P88s, which I think is this one. That's crazy. So he ended up shipping his car out, and I guess the guy with the Keith M4 shipped it out too, because he was over there in LA. I thought he was from California the whole time. Yeah, this color looks so good. I don't even know what color this is. With the red seats. He got the same lip that I have, but non-carbon. So if you guys like the lip and want to get something that you guys don't have to worry about breaking, you guys can actually get this one. So this one's actually fairly cheap. This one's like $120 for this. So good deal if you live in like a city where you got to worry about potholes and whatnot. Big ass wing. It looks like a track car, and I guess you can rent it. Check this one out. The bolt. This is clean. Hold on. Gotta check the interior out. Got the phone. This is clean, dude. For the year, seeing interior this clean is crazy. You got E30 M3. And a clean E36 M3. Same wheels. Actually a good picture right here. These two. Definitely a good turnout though. So if you guys missed it, don't worry, you got West Palm Beach coming up, so plan for that one, which is April the 5th. So I was thinking about it, and I realized that I've been to the 3 Bimmer invasions this year. So I went to the one in Orlando at the beginning of the year, then I went to the LA one recently, and now we're here at New Jersey. So gotta support the family. If you guys haven't been to one, definitely recommend it.